I am here at 3705 South Dakota Avenue in Washington, D.C. This is where Deren Blessman, realtor with Keller Williams Capital Properties, is going to be holding an open house this Sunday, and it is a remodeled, very beautiful home in this up-and-coming, trending neighborhood. And let's go inside where Deren is waiting to at least show you the first level.
Hey
Hi.
everybody, how you doing? Come on in. So we'll be here this Sunday from 1 to 4. I am in Michigan Park in Northeast DC. This property was built in 1927 and has been very beautifully refinished, remodeled. It's a single family detached home, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Let's take a look. As you can see, we're standing in the living room where you just came in. And it goes all the way back here to a beautiful kitchen, updated with stainless steel appliances, gas range, lots of beautiful granite counter space, to your dining room back here. Beautiful hardwood floors. I like the floors a lot. And off to a deck in the back, and you have parking right here in your backyard off your deck. Parking in DC, as we know, is a premium.
So come visit him on Sunday. You'll get to see the rest of the house at that point. Also, just wanted to point out the gorgeous tray ceilings, really intricately done. And come visit Deren. What time will it be?
1 to 4 Sunday. Stop on by.